Hey there, welcome back to our channel, ready to transform your life and achieve your weight loss goals. Awesome. Today, I'm sharing 5 effective weight loss tips that you need to know. These tips are simple, practical, and proven to work. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Protein's your best friend when it comes to losing weight. It's not just about eating less, but eating right. Protein helps to keep you feeling full for longer periods, boosts your metabolism, and helps maintain muscle mass, which is crucial for burning calories. Try incorporating lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins like beans and lentils into your diet. These foods are not only nutritious, but also versatile and delicious. Trust me, your body will thank you. Next up, tip number 2. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for weight loss. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but it's incredibly important. Water helps to flush out toxins from your body, curb hunger, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and if plain water isn't your thing, add a slice of lemon, cucumber, or even some mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Moving on to tip number 3, exercise is key. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's walking, biking, dancing, or hitting the gym. The best exercise is the one you'll stick with. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. This could be anything from a brisk walk to a fun dance class. The key is to keep moving and stay active. Consistency is key here, folks. Regular physical activity not only helps with weight loss, but also improves your overall health and well-being. Tip number 4. It's easy to overeat when you're not paying attention. Mindful eating can make a big difference. Use smaller plates, pay attention to serving sizes, and avoid eating straight from the package. This helps you control portions and avoid mindless snacking. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Eating slowly and mindfully can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. It's not just what you eat, but how much you eat that matters. Being aware of portion sizes and eating habits can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Finally, tip number 5. Poor sleep can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Lack of sleep can lead to increased hunger and cravings, making it harder to stick to your healthy eating plan. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Good sleep helps regulate your hormones and supports overall health. Create a bedtime routine, avoid screens before bed, and make your sleep environment comfortable. A good night's sleep can make a world of difference in your weight loss journey. There you have it. 5 tips to help you on your weight loss journey. Remember, it's about making sustainable changes and being kind to yourself. Celebrate your small successes and keep track of your progress. You've got this. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Stay healthy and stay motivated.